hum. Ahem. Hello. Welcome to the Empire Simulation Introduction video. In this video, you will become acquainted with the basics of how the Empire Simulation works. Along the way, you will be asked to answer questions to check your understanding. Feel free to pause and rewind the video as needed.
Well, hello there. I'm Cammy Camel, and I'm going to show you through the student guide. Here's what it looks like on the front page, and you should always be able to find this in your folder. Let's read through the first few things together. Empires, Student Guide. The Fertile Crescent. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers form a vast watershed system that stretches from what is now Turkey through Syria and Iraq to the Persian Gulf. In ancient times, the people called this area Mesopotamia. We often refer to this area as the Fertile Crescent. Throughout Mesopotamia, native cereal grains provided food for tribes of nomadic hunter-gatherers. Early civilizations. Through time, the nomadic hunter-gatherers learned to cultivate these native grains in the rich soil. They began to harness the water of the mighty rivers to increase their crop yields. The nomads became farmers living in settled villages. Ample food supplies led to the development of larger communities. People developed technologies and organized social structures. These developments enriched their lives and ensured their survival. The ancient farmers developed the first civilizations. What is a civilization? To be considered a civilization, a society must possess 5 key elements. 1. Centralized government. 2. Organized religion. 3. Job specialization and social classes. 4. Arts, architecture and public works. And 5. Writing. Fertile Crescent Empires. You are about to study several civilizations of the ancient Middle East. Some of the ancient civilizations that you will study existed at the same time. Their citizens both competed with and cooperated with each other. Some of these civilizations ceased to exist long before others developed. Ancient Lessons. As you explore the rise and fall of these civilizations, you will learn about human nature. You will find that ancient human history and modern human experiences share many similarities. People strive to improve their own lives. They seek basic necessities for themselves and their families. They do what they must in order to survive. Apply both these ancient and modern lessons as you create your own classroom empire. You are now a member of an ancient hunter-gatherer clan living at a subsistence level. You are struggling to survive and establish a more secure and comfortable life. You are about to establish a civilization. Your clan will form a tribe, settle a village, and build a city-state. You will complete tasks, solve challenges, cope with fate, trade with other clans, and make daily strategic decisions. Your success will earn civilization points, moves, coins, and/or resource coupons. If your clan can attain all of your needed resources and can conquer and control many provinces, you might become a mighty empire. The clan that amasses the highest number of civilization points will be crowned the creator of the greatest civilization and empire of the ancient world. Work hard, cooperate, and make wise decisions. Good luck!
Oh, sounds exciting, right? Next, we are going to discuss the Fertile Crescent map. There will be a small one in your folder and a large one on the wall. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Here's the Fertile Crescent map. There will be a large one on the wall as well. To read this map, simply locate which square you are interested in obtaining, and then follow the side, choose a letter, follow the top, choose a number, and that would be the name of your square. You'll notice that there are many resources strewn about the map. These resources will be relevant in your simulation. Some of the squares also have ziggurats. These are the home base squares. Notice that every square has a point value. These are integral to the simulation. The more points you have, the more you will be successful. Be careful. These squares can all be obtained by anyone. You might go to battle if you are interested in the same square as another clan. Please also take notice that some of the squares are worth 0 points. Do not try to occupy these squares, or you might drown in the water.
In order for you to survive, you will need to collect enough resources. These resources are precious but limited. You will need to work hard and carefully to make sure you have enough. Here is some more information.
Resources. The civilizations that developed in the Fertile Crescent relied on basic resources. The amount of each resource needed varied from one civilization to another. Civilizations obtained resources that they lacked in 2 ways. They took them by conquest, or they traded for them. Throughout history, many wars started because one civilization needed resources controlled by another. Study the resources needed list in your clan folder. Your list is adapted from, but is not identical to, what ancient people really had available. Protect your resources needed list. Do not let rival clans learn exactly what resources you have or need.
You'll want to expand your empire by moving around the map and claiming squares. Next, we will learn about strategic moves.
Strategic moves and empire building. Your clan can only become an empire by moving armies to take control of province and resource squares every day. Your clan begins with 8 armies and 20 moves. Evaluate the value of province squares and the location of needed resource squares. Determine what resources your tribe already possesses or can easily control. Decide where to expand your land holdings and deploy your armies. Remember that other clans are attempting to enlarge their territory and gain resources also. Someone else may already control or want to control a certain province or resource square that your clan decides to occupy. This will result in a battle between your competing armies. Be prepared to take land by force and to defend your own land with force.
Also, in your folders will be explanations of tasks you can complete. Tasks are the keys to advancing your clan to victory. These tasks are graded in addition to being important to the simulation. Pay careful attention to how tasks work.
Tasks. Every day, your clan works to advance your level of civilization. At each level of civilization, your clan must complete a task relating to each of the 5 key elements of civilization. How well and how quickly you complete tasks determines how quickly you progress to the next level of civilization. Each time you advance from one level of civilization to the next, the value of completed tasks increases. You must work harder, but success results in more civilization points and bonus moves. Your teacher will determine whether a task is successfully completed. Work that reflects research and effort will earn the target number of civilization points for that task. Work that does not address the topic or is otherwise unsatisfactory will earn fewer civilization points. Your clan must then complete additional work to earn enough civilization points to progress to the next level of civilization. You may earn bonus civilization points for exceptional tasks.
The whole goal of the simulation is to advance your clan from tribe status to empire. You will need to earn as many civilization points and bonus moves as you can to succeed. Let's refer back to our student guide to learn more.
Use this chart to help you determine what kinds of things will earn you what kinds of rewards. You can find this chart in your student guide.
Each day of the simulation, clan members will be responsible for different roles. These roles rotate daily, so you'll need to understand each one.
Throughout the simulation, members of your clan take turns filling the following 5 roles. Ruler. The ruler decides if and when to build structures such as ziggurats, city walls, irrigation systems, or warehouses, and how many armies to purchase each day. The ruler has final authority to speak for the clan about fate decisions. General. The general is responsible for executing and defending clan military expansion. Priest or priestess. This religious leader keeps all management records for the clan. Each day, the priest or priestess informs the ruler of members' progress in completing their tasks. Scribe. The scribe keeps accurate records on the wealth tally. Study the Fertile Crescent map to determine your clan's income and expenses. Artisan. The artisan maintains supplies and materials for the clan for all tasks and activities. If your clan has more than 5 students, the 6th member may be a soldier and assist the general, especially in policing other clans while moving armies. If your clan has 7 students, the 7th student may be a student and assist the scribe in completing the wealth tally. For more information about each roles, please refer back to the student guide and also see additional handouts located in your folder.
Well, that's it for now. If you ever need any help or have questions, please make sure you refer to your student guide in the folder, or you can rewatch this video, or you can ask your teacher. Always, you can ask her. Yes, you can. Okay, thank you. I hope you have a super time.